Hello everyone, this is a picture on technology trends. Technology keeps on changing every other day, and science keep on coming up with new innovations and new inventions. These greatly impact the way we live socially, economically, and in the environment where we live. Education being a key contributor on how people live is also highly affected. For the last 10 years, a number of technologies have evolved and have made great impact on how we live. When you look at some of these trends, I'm going to start with the smartphones. Smartphones have greatly impacted our lives. These days you can order for food, you can navigate, you can play games, message, listen to music and so many things from your house. And then there are also flash drives. These ones store files, photos, videos with a storage capacity that is large, and these files can be retrieved at a later date. This has also made life very easy for each and everyone. Then when you look at the Google search engine actually has changed the way people search for information. You can easily go to Google and get what you want within a very short time, as long as you have the internet. When you look at still under Google, we have the Google Maps. Google Maps for people not to get lost. Google Maps has made getting lost virtually impossible. You simply log in, and then you get where you're going. Online streaming. These online streaming services, you simply have to have the application like the Netflix, and then you watch a video from online. The most current one, this is also very good. And then when you come to currently, previously we used to have Windows 7, but currently we have Windows 10. This enables one to perform very many tasks because it is updated. And currently, with Wi-Fi in place, everything is possible. Using internet, you can browse, you can use multimedia. The possibilities are endless with Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi hotspot can make everything possible. What is more, you can easily access them at all major places, be it in your home, as long as you can afford them. And then there is also the social media. Social media has greatly changed people's lives. People can easily collaborate, people can interact, people can even discuss, people can share knowledge with Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. All these have enabled people to be able to share information, even accessing and even interact and collaborate. So that is a new trend. Then with Bluetooth, this is a device that is installed in the devices, and this can enable people to be able to multitask. You can be driving at the same time communicating on phone. You can be driving at the same time listening to music. So Bluetooth is able to connect devices over short distances. This has also changed people's lives. Then we also have Internet of Things, and also this Internet of Things helps people to get connected. And then artificial intelligence. This changes words into text, and people are using it currently. And this caters for different groups of people, like those who can't, who have special ability can easily be catered for. And then you also have the apps. Like for example, you can have an app that can enable you get food at your doorstep, get a taxi to pick you from your home at your doorstep. So all those apps are very important, but they also come with that because of the changing trends. And then you also have virtual reality and video conferencing. Virtual reality helps people to be able to to see the world that they wouldn't have seen. It brings reality into existence. And then also have video conferencing. Video conferencing helped a lot during COVID. People were able to interact, people were able to discuss, people were able to collaborate because of video conferencing using Zoom and so many other technologies. Then you also have the drones. These drones have become very rampant. They're very rampant, they use during work functions, they can take photos, they can go to places which can't easily be reached. They can even make deliveries. So that is a trend. However, it is important to note that despite those trends, someone must be having money in order to be able to afford them and even be able to afford the data to use those technologies. Thank you very much.